Jaguar Land Rover India has begun accepting bookings for the new Land Rover Defender plug-in hybrid version. The company will be bringing the Defender PHEV P400e variant to the country that will be positioned as the new top-of-the-line offering in the SUV's range. The Defender Hybrid gets a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine that is paired with a 105 kW electric motor and offers a combined output of 386 brake horsepower and 640 Nm of peak torque. The powertrain is paired with a torque converter that sends power to all four wheels. The new Defender P400e will also get a 19.2 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that can be charged using a 15A socket available at your home or office. The new Defender plug-in hybrid will be offered on the 110 5-door version and in 4 trims: SE, HSE, X Dynamic HSE and X. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India has rolled out year-end offers across its two-wheeler range, and this includes a cashback of up to 5,000 rupees on purchase of select models. Customers need to finance the purchase via a credit or debit card from one of the company's partner banks that include ICICI, Federal Bank, Standard Chartered, Bank of Baroda and Yes Bank. Interested customers can avail the benefits of the offer while booking the two-wheeler online as well. The cashback offer is available on models like the new Honda Hornet 2.0, Activa 6G and the CD110 Dream. The offer on these models is available in Delhi NCR as well as other parts of the country. Make sure to check with your local Honda dealer for the best deals. The National Payments Corporation of India has announced that 3 major toll plazas in Mumbai recently went live with the NETC FASTag platform. The toll plazas at Airoli, Mulund Eastern Express Highway and Mulund LBS Marg have enabled the platform for seamless toll payments experience. The Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link Plaza and the Vashi Toll Plaza have already enabled the platform earlier. However, the implementation work at the Hisar Toll Plaza is underway and is expected to go live very soon. The NPCI is also expecting all parking lots in the city to gradually adopt 100% smart and contactless parking by using FASTags.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.